Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kiana and I do fashion and sewing and DIY videos, and today I'm showing you a house tour. So if you don't already know, if you haven't been keeping up with my shorts, I am moving. I bought a house. Cody and I are moving in about a month, a little over a month from now. And I wanted to give you guys a full empty house tour. I already actually did post a short with like a minute long house tour, but that's just super fast, like overview. So I'll link that down below if you're interested in that. But today we're gonna do a in-depth tour where I can talk about my plans, like tentative plans for each room, show you more things in depth. And I do wanna say, I already tried filming this once as like a walkthrough type video, but it was bad. It was really chaotic. I was running around, I was screaming, I was quiet at different points. It made no sense. It was bad. So this is me trying to rectify the situation. So as I'm talking, I'll be showing you like clips of the house, and then after that, I might insert clips from the walkthrough so you can see me in the space talking about it, but those are chaotic. So if you're like, what the heck is going on? That's what's happening. So while we were filming, the inspector was there, Cody was there, and our real estate agent was there. So we were like running around the house trying not to run into them. Which, by the way, if you need a real estate agent, oh my gosh, my real estate agent sent from heaven. Also, my mortgage lender sent from heaven. Usually I feel like people like struggle to find good real estate agents and mortgage lenders, and I found the best two on the planet. So if you are interested, I'm gonna put their information down below because I could not have bought this house without them. Truly. So let's start off with the living room, which is a very bright and open space. The walls are white, the floor is a light wood, and they just got refinished, so the wood is nice on the ground, but it feels very bright in that space, partially due to those big windows on the side of the living room. And the front door is also a double door that opens up and has two glass doors, so from both sides, we are getting the lighting. But right now for the living room, I don't have a whole lot of plans. Like, I'm just gonna take my furniture right now and put it in there. I'm probably going to work on designing, renovating that room last, just because like I have working furniture, I have fine decor, like I'll just take the space I have and move it into the new home. Next, let's move into the dining room. It's like a medium-sized dining room. My plans for this room is honestly just to go crazy. I want color, I want clutter, honestly. I just like want to fill the walls. I want to do a rug wall. I also want to do a mural. Not sure what of. Someone let me know. I want to thrift a dining room table and paint it a fun color. I want to get a UFO flying saucer chandelier. Then we move into the kitchen, which is probably the scariest room in the house. You know what? Actually, I take that back. I think the studio room is the scariest room, but the kitchen is a bit frightening. Everything in this kitchen is not in working order. The tiles are cracked all over the place and stained, and just, they're not good. They've got to be replaced. The little buffet does not work. The drawers are broken. She's a wibbly wobbly. I truly do not like the dark wood. If it was lighter wood or even a medium, I'd be okay with it, but the dark wood has got to go. The appliances, okay, the dishwasher does not work. We gotta get a new dishwasher. I didn't even test the stove, but the stove frightens me. The kitchen, we're like literally ripping out probably, and my plan for the kitchen is to make it into a 50s diner. So I wanna do checkerboard floors, I wanna do pink cabinets, I wanna get retro furniture and make it truly into like the most fun, funky 50s diner. Is it gonna take me a hot minute? Probably. But it's gonna be worth it. And then moving into the garage, we just have a 2-car garage. It's very nice. I like how high the ceilings are. But this isn't my room, it's Cody's room. He's gonna have all his workout stuff in there, his tools and stuff. It's not for me, it's for him. Then moving down into the studio. So our house is a split level home. So that was all the main floor I just showed you. And then there's like a half staircase to go up to the bedrooms and a half staircase to go down into the basement, which isn't really like a basement. I mean, it is a basement, but like it has windows and stuff. So it's, you know, it's like ground zero, I would say. But that entire basement is gonna be my studio. And it's, I think, like almost 800 square feet down there, which my current studio is like 200 to 250 square feet. So it's way bigger. We have so much space for our fashion design shenanigans, and I'm really excited about it. As you can see, the wood paneling is terrifying, truly horrifying. Someone commented on my TikTok about the house tour that my house looks like it's straight out of Annabelle and that it's haunted. Actually, multiple of you guys commented that my house is haunted. So thank you for that. Appreciate. But we will be removing all the wood paneling. I don't hate the wood paneling. Like, I could paint it a fun color, but like I said, this house is old. So the wood paneling is not in the best condition. It's starting to peel up from the ground. So it's better if we just rip it out and put in some drywall, which we're actually currently doing right now. As I speak, the drywall guys are at the house, probably finishing up the drywall. Yeah, I just wanted to do it immediately rather than right before we moved, because before we moved and sold the house later on down the line, we definitely put drywall in. So I was like, I might as well put it in now and enjoy it if like this stuff is already coming off the walls. And this way it's much better because I can do like fun like murals and stuff on the walls too. But I don't have any plans as to how we're decorating. I don't know if I want to keep like the fun, bubbly look of this studio or if we want to mix it up. I don't know. What do you guys think? And then downstairs also, well, there's a bathroom. Irrelevant. Then there's a second room downstairs that's a little bit smaller, actually much smaller than the big room, and that is going to be like a filming room / extra storage for the studio. And my plan for this right now, actually I don't want to give away my plan for that because it might change, so I don't want to make any promises. So let's just go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. So the first room upstairs is gonna be my closet / beauty room. So I'm gonna do like a big like open closet situation, like put all of like the racks and shelves and stuff all around the room to make it into a giant walk-in closet. Plus I want to put a vanity in there, like in front of those big double windows, so I can do my hair and my makeup, because I hate standing up doing my hair and makeup. I love sitting down. Like in my small bathroom right now, I have a chair because you can't find me standing. I'm just a sedentary girl. I'm not here to be active and stand on my feet. Yeah, so I'm gonna do all my makeup, my hair, my dressing in here. I'm gonna film a bunch of get ready with me's in there. It's gonna be so cute. We're definitely gonna paint it white because I hate the navy. I want it to be like just bright and clean, like no design really, more of just like clean aesthetic, so like we can get ready in there and build anything we want to. There's also a horrifying closet in here, a walk-in closet, which I can use for more storage, but the wallpaper is really frightening. It's really frightening. They're poodles, so that's cute, but it's old, so we're gonna have to rip that out. Next would be Cody's office. I don't have a lot to say about this because it's not like my room in any way, shape, or form, so obviously I have no plans with it. Cody has his creative freedom to do whatever he wants in there, but yeah, that's where Cody will be working. And then the last room is our bedroom. So I'm just gonna make it plain white. I really wanna do just like a neutral, cozy bedroom. So I'm gonna have to get new sheets and stuff like that. I also would love a king size bed, but that is not high on the priority list, to be honest. She's cute. The walls they need to be clean, to be honest. The walls need to be clean. They need a fresh coat of paint, but so does every single wall in that house. I will be cleaning the walls, cleaning the house, and painting the house for like a month straight, probably. Slay. And then we have 2 bathrooms. So one bathroom is in our bedroom, and then another bathroom is in the hallway upstairs. Actually, we have 3 bedrooms, but the third one's a half bath downstairs. Anyways, the 2 full baths, they are basically exactly the same. The one in our bedroom is lavender tile. It's literally so gorgeous. It's my dream come true. I've always wanted like a pastel tile bathroom. So I'm absolutely positively 100%, oh my gosh, yes, keeping the lavender. I love it, I need it. And then that's gonna be my bathroom because since they're the same, me and Cody are just gonna each take a bathroom because Cody does not like when my hair gets all over the sink, and like he's scared of my hair, honestly. So he wants separation because I have a lot of crap and he doesn't need to deal with that. It's fair, it's fair. So he's gonna have the other bathroom, which has more of like a dark peachy salmon tile, I think, or is it mauve? I can't remember off the top of my head, but yeah, they're basically the same. We're gonna keep the tiles. We love the fun colors. And then we're gonna do something with the wallpaper. Yeah, the wallpaper is scary. So we're gonna remove that probably and probably paint everything in there. other than the tiles. And then I'm not going to show you guys the front or backyards because I don't want you to know what the outside of my house looks like. I love you, but yeah, I'm not doing that. Anyways, that was my full house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any fun ideas for any of the spaces, because right now I only really have the kitchen planned out completely, although like I can still take suggestions for that, honestly, because I haven't really like started working on it. But yeah, I'm super excited to take you guys along on this journey with me. So thanks so much for watching this video.